After viewing the abdominal cavity, you're going to start by cutting the jaw. So you will put your scissors in the corner of his mouth and cut down towards his ear on both sides.
Repeat the process on the other side.
Just straight down by his ear. After cutting the jaw, we will now open it to view the epiglottis.
So again, you have the chin. You cut the jaw down to the bottom of the ear. You open it up. You're going to have to break it and cut these little strands. Right here you have the soft palate. You can tell it's not textured. And then right above that you have the hard palate that has texture to it. And then of course we have the tongue. And then if you lift the jaw all the way back, you will see this white piece. And this is called the epiglottis. And it prevents food from getting into your trachea.
And I noticed there are also teeth.
Yes.
There are also teeth